So I got an interesting question from someone and they asked me, do you have a recommendation on a durable paint? And I thought that was a really interesting question because the role of paint is actually not to be durable, it's to provide a color. Instead, to create a durable finish, what you want to do is seal your paint. And so the type of sealant that you use to seal your paint is going to determine how much traffic you can submit your finish to without it getting damaged. A really good sealer is polyurethane or wax for maybe less traffic surface. But also how well your paint is sticking to the finish, or how well your paint is sticking to the whatever it is that you painted. That bond is really important for creating a durable finish, because even if you seal it, if your paint is just flaking right off and it's not strongly adhered to your piece, that's going to create a problem too. So you put the finish on, you put your a really good bond between your paint and then your piece, and then you seal it up, you protect it, and that is going to create a very durable finish. And note, the polyurethane or whatever you seal your piece with, that determines how your piece feels to the touch. So if you're worried about working with chalky chalk paint, well, guess what? It shouldn't be chalky because you should be sealing it. So it should have a different feel than when it's just dry paint.